But we don't have a COVID. But do we have a facility to upgrade to a COVID care unit?
Sir, actually we have a COVID care center that guest house.
Naravai Complex.
Naravai Complex. That was the
No, but that is isolation.
isolation.
But you have an ICU here?
No, sir.
We don't have ICU here. So if you have an emergency, then
We have to refer to. So that is the dedicated to
Is there any space right now which has an ICU space which we can upgrade?
Right now,
So we have no ICU here.
it's only sir, we have, since it is the community health level, so we don't have
No,
a.
but at least something so that there is an experience. What is the
To run a ICU, sir, we need some. Right now, we don't have a. Because we need ventilator.
you don't have any ventilator? Obviously, you don't have an ICU. Oxygen?
Oxygen, we have the cylinder.
How many oxygen? And how many beds right now?
Right now, sir, this is designated 50 bed.
50. And how many is operational?
Full operational, but it is divided into main one.
Can I have a look at that?
Yes.
কনফারেন্স হলো থেকে